Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can set up invoice reminders in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Xero, then just go right top corner to your account and click on settings. When you're gonna be here, click on invoice settings, and right here you can see invoice reminders, so click on it. And now email a customer when an invoice is 7 days overdue, 14 days overdue, or 21 days overdue, or you can add a new reminder if you want to. And when it's 7 days overdue, bill, thanks for working with us, your bill was due on. You've already paid it, please ignore the email and sorry for bothering you. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah, goodbye.